This is the Wi-Fi Panorama Camera. I'm going to open this up. This comes with a user manual and the camera itself. Plus it comes with a base if you needed this, and it comes with mounting screws and mounting brackets. Now the camera comes in this really thick air-filled sleeve, so it's great protection in transport. I'll put that in there. It also comes, for added protection, just this little cap over the base, which would screw into your light socket like this. And then your camera rotates. It has two-way audio. It has night vision and many other features. Now let me put this back in here real quick. You will need an app to use this camera, and you will need Wi-Fi. So once you download your app on your phone, an iPhone or an Android, it is compatible with both. So once you download that, you can go into the settings menu and set that up however how you would like that set up. It does have picture quality. It has full screen. Like I said, it does have two-way audio and night vision. So just set it up ever how you would see fit and what fits your circumstances. So again, this is the Wi-Fi Panorama Camera that works off of an app with your iPhone or your Android phone.